I cannot believe my eyes. Spider-Man.
I want to help you, Mr. Osborn. I really, really do. I can't give you my blood. Not right now.
Excuse me? If our blood isn't compatible, you could die.
I'm already dying. Your blood can't make me die more.
But it could do something worse.
I thought that's what you do, is you save people's lives. You're just gonna let me die.
I'm trying to protect you right now.
No, you are not. You're trying to protect yourself.
I'm sorry.
You're a fraud, Spider-Man!